Now, you're welcome back to this episode. In this section, we're going to discuss shortcuts. So now I want to set my own preferred shortcut for easy navigation for the purpose of this training. So now all I have to do here is that I don't need this accountant center, so I'll cancel that. Then when you check the left hand side here, you will see my shortcut. All right, so now I want to set my own preferred shortcut for easy navigation. So I'll double click this customize shortcut, and then I will delete some of these shortcuts because I don't really need it. Then I will now set my own shortcut. All right, okay. All right, I need this bill tracker, then I need this income tracker, but I don't need this cash flow hub. I don't need that. My company, I don't actually need that, so we can only use that to edit our company's information. So then I will delete that as well. So I'll delete that. Then accountant center, I don't actually need that. So now I'll just click OK. Now the next thing that I have to do is that I'll add to my shortcuts. So all I have to do, I'll go back to my reports, then I'll come down to tags, these accountant and tags. The first thing that I need to add will be my general ledger, so I will add that. Okay, so then I will just come back to my view, then I will add general ledger to icon, then I'll select this. So let me just click OK. So here's our general ledger. The next thing I'm going to set will be my general journal. So I'm coming back to this accountant. I want to make a general journal entry. So general journal entry. Okay, then I'll add it, view, and then add it to this. Then let me select. You can change the icon if you like. So it doesn't necessarily that you use only one icon for all these. So but for the purpose of the time, I'll just select this and write on. Then the next one that I'm going to set here is that we need the trial balance of this company. So I can cancel all this, and then I'll come back to my report again. I'll come down to these accountants and the taxes. I'll select trial balance. Then I'll come back to view and add it to icon. Add it to icon. So let me just pick this and then leave that. Then the next one that I want to add again, I want to add the statement of profit and loss account. So I'll come down to report again. Then I'll come down to company and financial. Then here is the profit and loss standard. So I'll select that. Then I'll come back to my view and add that to icon. Then I can select, let me see another icon that is okay. Okay, so let me just pick this and then let it just, all right, then let me cancel all these. All right, now the next thing I want to add the company's balance sheet, that is the financial position. So I'll come down to my company and this financial again, balance sheet. Here is the balance sheet standard. Then I will come back to view and I will add it back to my icon. So let me just take a look at another icon that is okay. Oh, let me take this. All right, now the next one that I'm going to add is that of a statement of cash flow, because we need 3 financial statements: the profit and loss account, which is known to be the income statement; the financial position, which is known to be balance sheet; and the statement of cash flow, so which is cash flow statement. So let me go back again. I want to add our cash flow statement, and I'm coming back to reports, and then I will come back to company and financial. Here is the cash, you can see that statement of cash flow. So I'll open that, then I'll add it to my icon. Then I can use, let me use this. Okay, so all right, now the next one I'm going to add is my inventory valuation. So I'll come back to my report again, my report, the inventory valuation. Under the inventory, remember that we check the inventory preference. So I'll look for my inventory. Is it not on? So let me quickly go back to my preference, then inventory. Here is it, inventory. So I'll check this and then okay. All right, then I'll come back to my report. Inventory. Okay, here is it, inventory. Then I'll add this inventory. So let me add this. Okay, inventory valuation summary. So let me add it. Add to icon. So let me just pick this. Okay, now we have our preferred shortcut. Starting from home, as you can see, the home. Here is our home. Then here is our income tracker. Then here is our bill tracker. Here is our general ledger. Here is our general journal. Okay, here is our general journal. Then here is our balance sheet. The trial balance of that company. Okay, then here is the statement of profit and loss account. Then here is the balance sheet, and statement of cash flow. So now the next thing I want to show us is that I don't want my shortcut to be at the left hand side, so I want it to be at the top. So then I'll come back to my view, then I'll change it to top icon bar. So as you can see that, then I'll cancel this. I'll cancel all this. Okay, so then I can wide this. All right, so now this is how to set your preferred shortcut. You can try this on your desktop as well. See you in the next episode.